Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today, I'll be showing you how to link your console to your Epic Games account. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly. So you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the Epic Games launcher if you haven't already. After opening up Epic Games guys and logging into your account, you will be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the games that you have in your Epic Games account and all the games that you can buy in the store. So guys, how do we link our account? Well, it's very easy. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead right here in the upper right corner where your profile picture is. So guys, go ahead and click on that icon right there. And after clicking on that guys, now this will open up this new drop down menu where you can see your achievements, you can edit your account settings, you can see your account info and so on. So guys, what we want to do is go ahead and open up this account option right here. Go ahead and click on that guys, and now this will open up this new browser tab guys. You can see in your external browser where you will be able to edit your account info. It will take you to the official epicgames.com website, and if you look at the left side of the screen, now you have multiple options for editing your account, such as account settings, email preferences, payment management, and so on. So guys, what we want to do is go right here to this option called apps and accounts. So guys, go ahead and click on apps and accounts. And after clicking that guys, now this will open up this new page where you can edit all the apps and accounts connected to your account. We do not need the apps option right now guys. What we want to do is go to accounts, and you can see guys, now we can successfully open up this page where we can connect our account to other platforms. So guys, let's say you're on Xbox or on PlayStation, you can just go ahead and click this connect button under the PlayStation network. Go ahead and click that button. It will open up a new option where you'll be able to link your account. So guys, after clicking on confirm, then you will be opened up this new option where you will be able to log into your PlayStation account, and after logging in guys successfully, you will be able to click connect and you will successfully link your account. So guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.